Problem number 3, we want to graph this system of inequalities. So I got to graph the line y is less than or equal to 1/3 x plus 2, and that. I want to find the points that make this inequality true and this one true at the same time. Alright, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the line 1/3 x plus 2. Has a y-intercept at positive 2, so we know it comes through right here. Has a slope of 1/3. That means it goes up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. It's a positive slope, so it goes up 1 and to the right 3. Up 1 and to the right 3. So I know that's pointing up to the right, so I know that I've got the right slope because it's a positive slope. Then notice it says or equal to. That means the points on the line are also solutions. Now if you want, you could drop 1 and come over 3, drop 1, come over 3, if you want to put a few more points on there. I'm going to take my ruler. Now since it's or equal to, points on the line are solutions, so I'm going to make it a solid line. I'm just going to draw right through it. Okay. Put my arrows at the end. Now, it says less than. That means you're shading the points underneath it. Less than it, underneath it. So it's going to be the guys underneath here. Now I'm not going to shade all that yet, but I know I'm going to be shading underneath it when I do here in a few minutes, because I still got to do this guy too. Got to do this inequality. This inequality says y is less than or equal to 2x plus 1. So its y-intercept is right here at positive 1 and has a slope of 2. So it goes up 2, 1, 2, and to the right 1, because again, it's a positive slope. Up 2 to the right 1. Down 2, left 1. That way it's pointing up to the right. Down 2, 1, down 2, 1. Now it does say again, or equal to. If it didn't say or equal to, I'd make a dashed line. But it says or equal to, so all the points on this line are solutions. So we make it a solid line. Put my arrows at the end to show that it continues forever. Now, what side are we shading on this guy? Are we shading above it or below it? That's what I'm trying to see. It says less than, so we're shading below it, underneath it. We're shading points this direction, underneath it, less than. So if I want to shade underneath here and underneath here, the points that they have in common are all right in here. This section right in here, a point like 2, -1 will make this true and that inequality true. And that's what we're looking for, points that make both these inequalities true. So this is the section I shade right here, and this is how my graph should look.